Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna look at the new Sony WH-H910n. Is worth for buying or not? Let's look at the features. You have Google Assistant, Alexa, a 35 hours of battery, Bluetooth, and noise cancellation. And you have very clear quick charging, 10 minutes of charge. You have 2.5 hours of playtime, HD phone calls, voice assistant. You have USB Type-C charging cables. You have a headphone jack and a small pouch. Also, you can use the Sony's Connect app to add and customize the audio according to your liking. And it does come with a few colors. You have black, blue, and green. If you are interested in one of these, I'll leave the link below for Amazon. And let's get into the video. So it does have a slightly different look to the older headphones Sony have made. They never made their logos in white, and the material of the headphone slightly look different as well. The Sony Connect app, download that on you can download that on iPhone or Android phones. Let's get the headphone out. Let's have a very different look for sure. Let's look at these in the box. 3.5 to 3.5 audio jack, USB-A to USB-C, Google Assistant, simple user guide, how to download the Google Assistant and how to use it. Noise cancellation stereo headphones. Okay, that's something different. You get quite a lot of info shown. Left, right, power on, power off, how to wear the headphone, what to use, play, pause, Android, how to use on the Android phone, how to use on iPhone. Good user guide. Again, is user guide on different languages, and you have the warranty. It's come with a small pouch rather than a case. I'm very disappointed, I would say, because these aren't cheap headphones. These are £150 headphones. These aren't cheap headphones. I really don't understand why they have to do pouch instead of case. If you look at the Sony Mark IIIs, they have like a really nice case. They should buy cases with all the new headphones. If it's something around 80-90 pounds, I understand investing on a case. They will lose a lot of money as a company, but come on, this is like £200 headphone. They should give more of a case rather than a pouch. Wow, it's much lighter headphone than any of their headphones they have made. They have like a bit more of a different material of the ear cups. I don't know if you can see it. It's very different ear cups, speakers on the top, and it is easy to see your fingerprints. It's more of a glossy finish, so you can see fingerprints everywhere. It's looked very different. Microphones, audio intake, so you have 3.5 intake, USB-C charger, power, custom buttons where you can change the audios, and you're going to have volumes up and volumes down on here, and you have pause and play on the ear cups. Let's connect these headphones and see how these sound. So the minute I turn the power on, it's actually popped up on my phone saying, do you want to connect to the Sony 910? I say yes. It's automatically connected. Good improvement on the connectivity as well as the user friendliness. WH-910, 70% charge. You have adaptive sound control is on, same equalizer, audio 360 audio, and power on and power off, different languages, and you have software updates and all that. And now we're going to try out the audio and see the noise, see how effective the noise cancellation is. Definitely very light comparing with the WH-900 and the Sony Mark IIIs, and I can hear my own voice while ambient sound is on. It's very good ambient sound, so the mic seems to be improved. Full audio. So I'll give it a try.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. There's nobody wants to see Marshall no more. They want shady, I'm chopped liver. Well, if you want shady, this is what I'll give you. A little bit of me mixed with some hard liquor, some vodka, that all suits. You give it. Now this
Audio, there is amazing bass, just clear, it's very punchy on the bass, don't seem to have any delays. And let me try one more song.
I finally made up my mind.
So I can hear the same words while I am reading the lyrics. There's no delay so far.
Break it, just another mistake. Still I think about all that we done.
The software wise, there is quite a lot of upgrades where they upgraded the software where you get 360 audio, you can control the noise cancellation, ambient sound, much more a lighter, smaller headphone, a much more comfortable headphone than the older models. There is a few things I don't like about the new ones, where there is no volume up or down on the earbuds. You only have double tap for skip a song or pause a song, and single tap for answering phone calls, double tap to reject a phone call. And also I don't like of the fact that you can't fold this, where you can't put them in a flat, where you can fold these headphones but you can't set them to be a flat headphone, where there is no full 360. That's I'm not happy with. If I'm paying £150 for a headphone, I would like to have volume up, volume down on the sides or on the touchpads. When you come to bass, they have one of the amazing bass, clear mics. So if you guys are interested in one of these, the links are below. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, leave the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video.